Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the CE-42739-5 error on your PlayStation 4 when you can't launch a game because of the licensing issues. So let's go ahead and jump the video right now. So recently there has been a problem with the CE-42739-5 error on your PlayStation 4 when you have a licensing issue on your PlayStation 4, and some people have reported that the majority of their library of digital games have been wiped out from their PlayStation 4. Have no fear, this issue has mostly been resolved because a lot of it has been on the PlayStation server side and not on your individual PlayStation 4. But one way that you can go ahead and remedy this on your PlayStation 4 is by going to the home screen, then going up, and then going over to settings. Then go to account management. Then go down to activate as your primary PS4. Go ahead and make sure your PlayStation 4 is activated as a primary PlayStation 4. If you already have it activated as the primary PlayStation 4, go to deactivate and then go to activate once again. After you have your PlayStation 4 reactivate as primary, go down to restore licenses, and this will help you if you have become unable to use content you downloaded from the PlayStation Store. There might be a problem with the licenses for the content. Try restoring the licenses. Go ahead and hit restore, and this may take about 3 to 5 minutes depending on how much digital content you have on your PlayStation 4. Then hold down the PlayStation button, go down to power, and restart your PlayStation 4. And hopefully when you restart your PlayStation 4, all your digital items are back on your PlayStation 4. And you can check by going to the home screen, going over to library, then going down to purchased. And under here you should see everything that you bought on your PlayStation 4, all the digital games. So if this video did indeed help you out, go ahead and leave it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more PlayStation 4 tech help videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.